Hi, how are you? We're done cooking salmon. Salmon. We're done cooking. We're done cooking. It's a good feeling, you know, when you're ready to eat and you see mushrooms, we put cheese inside of these mushrooms. These are stuffed mushrooms. You see, in the huge mushrooms. Huge. Show how thick it is. Look. Wow. This mushroom's so thick. I never seen one so big in my life. And this salmon, look, grilled salmon with little ridges. Wow. And green beans. Healthy green beans with cheese filled with cholesterol that tastes so delicious. But green beans healthy. And then mushrooms. And see this one mushroom cooked. Wow, look. Oh, it's burning my fingers even. Thank you for watching. So we're going to get this off the plate. Starting with salmon. See, boom. Wow. Like that. And then next two pieces. Like that. Hold it with the little spoon chick. Yeah, the skin, the other side of this is skin, and you can burn the skin all you want. But we don't like burning stuff. We cook on low temperatures. So let's get these mushrooms. We're gonna get the mushrooms. Oh, we love mushrooms. Me and my girlfriend, we love mushrooms. Wow, look at this big mushroom. Wow, look. Wow. And it's stuffed mushroom. And then we have one more beautiful mushroom. Also stuffed with 5 cheese, Italian cheese blend. And this mushroom not stuffed because see, it doesn't have a bowl-like shape like the other ones. It doesn't. So we didn't stuff it. But we still love it. We still love this mushroom just like the other ones. And now we have these green beans. See, and we're gonna put on the plate green beans with cheese. That's it, and dinner ready. And we're ready to eat. We appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. And look, even our animals are ready to eat. Look, Chuck, the guard, the house guard. Oh, he's sniffing the tube. Yeah. Chuck. No boy, Chuck. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please check out our other videos. Oh, Julie. See, she wants food too. Julie, this is girl. This is mama. And Chuck, this is Papa. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please check out more. Thank you. Bye-bye.